FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the FineMax Noah, and I'm very excited for it. Check this out. Alright, we got foam out, boom. We've got a nice carrying case, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Wow, okay. Wow, that's really, this reminds me of the, oh wow. I have it in here, I was wondering. That's a cool dongle. That's really neat. Okay. Okay. I'm grooving. Here, I'll leave that on top of this. We got them. Oh. Damn, that's really cool to the touch. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, I'm excited, man. Look at this. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Rocking. Then we have... seal this up. Very nice. I like that. Let's do this. Yeah. You guys are probably irritated that I'm opening it from the bottom. We've got, wow, that's a ton of skates. Got 2 sets of skates. 3 sets of skates. We've got dot skates. We've got this kind. Wow. Just a ton of cool skates. Okay. Really neat. We've got some grips. Yeah, this is looking good. I'm looking at my old camera position. There's my camera. This is sweet. Got a sleeve. Is that a sleeve? That's a sleeve. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll leave that sleeve out. I'm going to try that. These are cool, man. This is really neat. Okay. That back in here. What a cool packaging. Okay. Let me... use my pen here. Man, that is tough. There we go. There we go. A little bit different unboxing video here. I'm sick. It's early morning. Need to get this done because I don't need more products to test. I got 10 products ready to review. Nice. What do we got? What do we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. It's gonna be really nice. Whoa. That's interesting. Got debris all over it, but I'm gonna have to flatten this bad boy out. That's a nice feeling pad. That's surprising. Okay, that's a shocker. I wasn't expecting that. Let me put this over here after I do a little, like a little thing. Got the logo there. All right. That's the FineMax Noah for y'all. Really excited for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. FragWatch.